taking exit 3A, B65, no traffic. Woodrow and Landon heading northbound. TBI was unsuccessful. Woodrow now. AFP TBI.
Oh, no. We ain't going everywhere.
TBI unsuccessful. Continuing northbound. We're on Woodrow and Carnival. And northbound, B60, no traffic.
Stop.
AFP TBI.
Shut it off! Shut it off! Turn the car off! Turn it off! Put your hands up! Put them on the roof! Hold them there! Don't fucking move!
Keep your hands up or you will be shot! Hands up or you will be shot! We're going to have to get him out on that side, Hamilton. Watch your crossfire. We're going to come around. Hey, will you hold them? We're going to come around. Hey! Unlock the door! Reach down and unlock the door!
Go over. No problem, sir. I got the people
Going ham.
Crawl out of it.
Crawl out of it. Crawl out. I'm not going to pull you hard as long as you come out. Come out. I'm coming. There you go. Right there.
Yeah, man, we came around those corners, I was like, no, we can't be doing this.
We're going to be at 1713 Cavanaugh.
See if I can get my car unhooked here in a moment now. Adam 44, Little Rock, he was through that, 1315. Y'all get him out of the way. I'll see if I can unhook. My bumper's wedged a little, so I'm going to try to unhook it here. Yeah. Yes, sir. Actually, I think I just got a little bit of push bumper damage, and that's all. Because
How many times do you have to beat me out?
so I completely spun him out. He kept brake checking me. I spun him out, and then he took off again when I was turned around. Well, luckily I got turned around quick enough. I got right back behind him, and then I tried to TVI him again, and he kept brake checking and trying to get out of it. Then he had to swerve. He about lost control because he was trying to avoid some traffic coming around turns on Cavanaugh. And so I was like, screw this, we're done, because we ain't about to hit nobody. And he came, I got up next to him when he brake checked me, and I just let him hit me on the sides, and then I hooked him. We're not doing this today. No.